Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying access and permissions to the DNS environment. This avoids surprises later. Next, gather the domains and decide which records you need, for example, and txt, because that shapes queries and parsing. Once done, build a CSV with all domains and include a 10-entry test subset to iterate quickly. Use a scripted DNS client or library so you can automate. This saves time and ensures repeatable results during the next steps. Now run queries in controlled batches and parallelize sensibly. About 50 concurrent requests is a good starting point to balance speed and rate limits. As you receive answers, transform them into a unified schema: domain, record type, value, TTL, timestamp, because consistency makes joins and analysis simple. Once transformed, write successful records to your main dataset and route failures to an error log for rechecks. Finally, validate sample rows to ensure parsing rules, captured edge cases like multiple TXT strings or CNAME chains. To finish, aggregate and deduplicate records so each domain has a clear canonical view, and compute metrics such as propagation rate and record change counts to inform decisions. Then write the clean dataset into a queryable store, SQL, Parquet, or no SQL, and include versioning so you can trace back changes. If something goes wrong, retry failed queries with exponential backoff. If issues persist, capture raw DNS traffic with TCP dump or similar and inspect packets to find response truncation, NX domain patterns, or server misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.